Today we want to see the graphs of quadratic equations. Let's start with the standard form of quadratic equations. As you may recall, standard form of quadratic equations are like x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. The first example that we want to see its graph is x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. If you click on this, you will see the graph. Let's zoom out a little bit so you'll be able to see both answers to the quadratic equation. Again, how we can see if there are two answers there are two solutions for this quadratic equation. You just need to plug in the values of a, b, c into these two formulas. If you plug them into these two formulas, you will see that the value of negative 4ac plus b squared is not negative, so you can easily find, and is not 0, so you can easily find two solutions for this quadratic equation. And as you see here, one of them is negative 2 and the other one is negative 1, as you see here. Basically, the answers or the solutions for this quadratic equation is the place or the locations that the quadratic equation intersects with x-axis. The next example is x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Let's see how that looks like. Okay, if you see closely here, there is just one point here that we can say this quadratic equation intersect with x-axis. And the answer is, as you see here, is negative 1. That means no matter which quadratic formula you use, you will see the same answer, negative 1 here and negative 1 here. The reason is the square root of negative 4ac plus b squared is 0. So it doesn't matter either you do negative 2 minus the square root of 0, or as you see here, plus the square root of 0. So far, either the quadratic equation has two answers or two solutions, or one solution. As a last example, let's see x squared plus x plus 3 equals to 0. As you see here, the current equation or system of equation has no solution. Let's click on this. If you zoom out, you will see that the quadratic equation graph does not intersect with x-axis. That means there is no solution for quadratic equation. Quadratic equations typically either have two solutions, one solution, or no solution. That's all for today. If you have any question, just email me at 5min.tutoring@gmail.com or just leave a comment under this video. Thank you so much.